Hello, it's Dr. Elizabeth Alter. Are you ready to do your detox this year? It's really important to detox your body. And a lot of times patients, when they hear detoxing, they think it's some a very complicated way to clean your body. And they also think it might be something related to drug use, but it has nothing to do with either. It's actually a time period that you pick, so about 6 to 7 days, where you're going to eat clean and use some sort of kit like our Power Up Detox Kit to that has supplements that help further clean out the body. And what we're trying to clean out is not just the colon. So a lot of patients also think that a detox is just a process where you're sitting on the toilet and pooping, but it's much more than that. Yes, we do want you to have good bowel movements during the detox, but it's also a matter of cleaning that liver. So our Power Up Detox Kit includes OptiCore, which is the shake, and OptiCore has very unique properties in that it has many nutrients that help clean out the liver, as well as it being very rich in turmeric and other nutrients that are anti-inflammatory. Then that includes SuperGo number 2, which is our aloe supplement that helps keep the bowels going, as well as the probiotic. But whichever detox you consider, it's important that you do detox at least once or twice a year. The reason why so many patients are ill is because of the many toxins that build up over time. So even if you eat clean, even if you try to avoid toxins, it's still highly probable that your toxins are accumulating in your body, especially if you're not taking the time to really clean them out. So I invite you to consider our Power Up Detox Kit and detox at least once or twice a year. Thank you and have a healthy day.